Imagine finishing an entire day's work before your morning coffee is even cold. This AI setup isn't the future. It's available right now. Most people use AI like a search engine. The top 1% use it like an entire company. Today, I'll show you the exact setup. I stopped doing repetitive work myself. Instead, I built an AI system that thinks, writes, designs, researches, and automates everything.
Still using AI as search tool? Stop doing it. Learn to use self-effectively.
Most people spend hours switching between apps, copying text, answering emails, and repeating the same tasks every day. The problem isn't that people work too little. It's that they're doing work AI can already handle. Instead of using one AI tool, build an AI workspace where every tool has a specific job. Start with ChatGPT as your thinking partner. Brainstorm ideas, solve problems, and organize projects. Next comes your research assistant, collecting information in minutes instead of hours. Need emails, blogs, scripts, or proposals? Let AI draft the first version while you focus on improving it. Now add image generation. Logos, thumbnails, ads, presentations, and graphics appear in seconds. Turn ideas into videos without cameras, actors, or expensive editing software. AI automatically creating cinematic videos from simple text prompts.
Professional voiceovers are now generated with natural AI voices that sound incredibly realistic.
Now connect every app together. One action automatically triggers 10 more. Upload PDFs, contracts, or reports, and ask questions like you're talking to an expert. With AI, meetings become instantly searchable. AI records, summarizes, and creates action items automatically. The future of productivity is here. One idea becomes a YouTube video, blog post, LinkedIn article, newsletter, and dozens of social posts. Store everything you've learned so AI remembers it forever. Every morning, your AI prepares today's priorities before you even start working.
Instead of working faster, you're working smarter by letting AI handle repetitive tasks.
Soon, everyone will have an AI team. The only question is whether you'll build yours first.
Start with one AI tool today, then connect another tomorrow. Small upgrades create massive results over time.